Where did I put those screws? All right, I found them. They're sitting on the floor. Get my key. There's that. Now I am missing all these other screws here. These are just cosmetic, and I swapped out this fuel cap earlier in a previous episode for a later model fuel cap, because mine was toast that came with this tank. And so one of the downsides of that was that the screws that go in here, that won't work, whatever. So I'm not going to have the cosmetic screws, but the functional screws line up, and to me, that's what's important. All right, so yesterday I threw the old chain, in this bucket of rusto remover, whatever stuff, evapo rust. So today I'm going to take it out and see, scrub it a bit and see what we got. Ultimately, I should put a new chain on it, obviously, but right now I'm test riding. I want to use the old chain. Oh, it smells horrible. It smells bad. I think the evapo rust, I think this had like some sort of anodizing or whatever on the sides of it, where it was supposed to be this gold anodization color. I think the evapo rust has messed with that. But otherwise, I mean, the actual rust parts, it got rid of pretty nicely. Like the chain seems to be functioning all right. I actually look at all these little rollers just rolling on the inside. So I think if I greased it up at this point, it would be pretty good shape. All right, so yeah, I just got some motor oil here. I'm just gonna soak this thing pretty good with some motor oil. So I'm going to work on putting this guy back together. I'll go ahead and put the intakes, a little sort of ram air. I'm trying to clean this up a little bit first. All right, now we'll go ahead and install these guys. These have got a little lip sort of thing right here. And so this whole section down here is supposed to slide down into the actual throttle body. And so making sure, aligning that, I had a bit of an issue there a second ago on that one, because this has shifted a little bit. All right, they're all loosely in there. Everything seems to be lining up the way it should. I'll go ahead and tighten stuff down. I got my newly oiled up filter here. We revamped this thing a while back here. This is a K&N filter. This came with the bike. This is one of the big bonuses of this bike, was that it came with a reusable filter, which I like the reusable aspect of this. It also replaces, the filter itself replaces, there is usually a gasket that goes around this corner that I'm trying to fit the filter into at the moment. Alright, this seems to be nicely seated. Now I gotta find the top. Alright, now on this top, this is where there's some modifications come in. I know some guys, there's this sort of variable valve, variable flapper thing here that hooks up to this sort of vacuum actuated sort of plunger mechanism there. That goes in the top here, and that hooks to this door, and that helps to control the airflow in and out of the engine. How much airflow, this gives it like the boost. You give the engine full throttle, this thing should open up and allow more airflow in there. Otherwise, you just got this little snorkel right here. This is limiting your airflow right to this amount of opening. So I know some guys modify this. I'm gonna leave it as is for right now. I'm not exactly a performance junkie, you know, so I'm gonna see how this works out. This is easy to modify later if I so choose. So try to get this guy installed. Then I'm missing two here, and I think I ordered more. Let's see where they are. Yeah, here they are right here. This is the part number for those guys. There, don't we feel fancy with nice new parts on here. All right, and then this guy should go up top here. Boy, it doesn't, I don't seem to want to go up there. All right, the way to do this is not the way I'm doing it. I should disconnect this thing, more than likely. Probably put this on before. Before you put the top on, because I can't really see what I'm hooking here. Pull this hose off, because this is making my life harder at the moment. Oh, went right in that time. Wow. Alright, that goes in, and then it sort of twist locks on there. Like so. I'm gonna stick this guy back on. And we're good. It's probably good for today. We'll see. I did get some extra parts. I did get some more parts in the mail here, but I'm hoping more parts will show up, and we'll open these later. That's it. See you tomorrow.